Away, guys! Welcome back. I know it's been a while since we done anything on the car. Last time I did a video on the car was like, what, 2 years ago or something? It was a while ago.
Yeah, it was a lot.
Yeah, a lot of shit has changed. Not really interior or exterior, but mostly in the engine. And yeah, I think this year the main goal is to basically try and get the car looking up to par, like
Get tech cams.
and get tech cams. But we'll dive into that later on. For now, I just bought a lip from Cape Town. I want to give a shout out to Mr. JC Gone. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Jaden from Cape Town. He organized me this lip, and very trustworthy guy. I want to say that. Did I tell you what happened with the payment story? So we were talking on WhatsApp, and he gave me a price and everything, and I relied on my Standard Bank banking app, right? So it came to $9.50, and I transferred the money, and then Standard Bank said error. The money never got in my account. I tried again. It said error again. And the money never got in my account. Then I went on my FNB app and it went through. Next thing, 2 minutes later, the first two payments from Standard Bank, I get a notification. That money goes out as well. So I sent him 3 payments of $9.50.
Well, did you send him 3 lips?
No. So, but yeah, like I was saying, he's very trustworthy. As soon as he got the money, he sent the money back. So thank you for that. This lip, as far as I know, he told me it's custom-made lip. I don't think you can get this lip. From what it looks like, okay, let me unwrap it properly. So this is basically what the lip looks like on the car. Yeah, as I was saying, from what he told me, he custom made it. To me, this looks like a BOS lip, just without. Normally the BOS lip has like these oval vents here. So to me, it looks like that. First plan of action, I think we're gonna have to test fit it on properly. We need to screw the holes and fit it on, because when we spray it, we don't want to spray it after. I mean, make holes after, yeah. So I think that's the next plan of action.
I thought you said it had curves, like pretty much straight to the wall.
It's straight. The SIR lip, the one I had previously, it came here, then it went inside, and then it dipped down again.
So where's the screws?
I got the screws. I bought self-tapper and one with nuts.
I think these ones.
These ones.
Probably. We'll try with those ones.
Yeah. Alright, let's get to test fitting. So we took out the bumper because it'd be easier to put the lip on. We're trying to figure out, we're probably gonna screw the center first, because the edges we need to bend a bit in. And I can't remember my last lip, but I feel like this was more, there was more meat on the side to screw.
See, it looks like it had the ducts checked.
Oh yeah. So this is a BYS lip, and they just covered you. Not bad, not bad.
Where is that screwing?
Is that the center?
From the corners it looks like that. Yeah, it's pretty much it.
Screw the first one in.
Maybe it's a road.
All the way.
Hold it. I don't know this yet.
Huh? Guys, like and subscribe so I can buy a drill. Sumo is just basically to be test fitting the lip, and it seems to be going all right. We had to bend a little bit on the edges so it's flush. As soon as we get the test fitting done right, we need to start sanding. I went to Grey Moon Paint in Mulder's Drift. Shout out to them because they color matched the white, and they put it in a can for me, and it was quite affordable as well. It was, I think, 218 rand a can. And this is the first time I'm going to be using these color matched spray cans. So I'm hoping it works out well because we have plans for the front two fenders. Basically, after we test fit, we need to sand, spray, let it dry, and then put it back on again. Yeah, you can see what it looks like. You need help, you can. I'm gonna try and get it on video.
Happy?
May bro.
It needs to come more in on this side.
It's like this car was naked before. Now this car got a goatee now.
Just like that. When it gets the cams, it'll be like a permanent job.
Yeah. I want to tell them about the cams, but I don't want to tell them about the cam.
Yeah, no, it's a story for a later shit.
Yeah, I need a cigarette and a glass of whiskey. Yeah. If you guys want to see, what do you call it? Like a walk around of the car.
Yeah.
We'll do a full walk around, like its own video. If they want to see that, they must comment.
Maybe just sort one, two things out first.
Yeah, we go as we go with the videos. We're busy sorting out cack. If you guys want to see a full walk around of the car, comment down below. So we test fitted. So I can put this one side. Ouch. That was a bit too aggressive, eh? Next thing to do is to sand this guy. Grey Moon suggested we use, this is Eco Wet P800. Are we wet sanding? They said I must wet sand.
So I think we should wet sand.
That's why I think you should wet sand. Let me get some soapy water and wet sand. Bye. See? So we finished sand the lip. As you can see, it's like mostly matte. We're just rubbing it over with turpentine so we can get off all like what extra grease or whatever other dirt might be on you. We shouldn't be doing this on leaves, is it?
Yeah, no, probably not.
Take it back inside. Yeah, so we're just gonna rub it over with turpentine, and then we're probably gonna put maybe 1 or 2 coats of primer, and then we can start with the white. We lay down a coat of primer. We did about 2 coats.
Yeah.
About 2 coats primer. We then wet sanded it, and we wiped it down. Now we're gonna start with our white. Just lay down a light coat so we get a base.
We can do car watching here, bro. We ready?
I think we're ready, boy. It's looking much different.
It looks happier.
You need to see it in the sun. I'm not sure how I feel about it now.
What?
I don't know if it's because it looks too different to my eye. Like it's something I'm not used to yet.
I think it looks killer.
You like it?
Yeah. It looks complete. We'll mount it up.
You got it, yeah, let's mount it up. Mount up! It was a cold black day. That one was tight.
Surprisingly good joke.
I'm undecided.
Well, it's on your car, so decide.
I'm gonna leave it on the car. I'm not gonna take it out. But I'm undecided. I think the beatings need to go black.
No.
No.
The beatings need to do what they're doing. White is right.
White is right.
What you say? You're part of the. But this guy is looking happy now.
Like 1 centimeter there. 1 centimeter.
Since 1.
Since 1 o'clock.
So this is my custom made, one of a kind. No, it's not one of a kind. But this is my custom made lip. It's got some orange peel on it. Mai, what do you think?
It looks nice.
It looks nice.
Hmm?
Say it to the camera.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Show him what you think.
I'm happy. You changed the look completely.
Just 30 seconds ago, you were undecided.
Yeah, because the car looks weird.
Well, I think you need to polish
This car is looking very nice now, bro.
Once you polish the bumper, the look will look
Better.
better.
Yeah, because when we were working on it in the garage, it was facing up.
Yeah.
So it was looking on. Now it's looking like I came straight out.
Go there and hit a pose now. Yeah. Yeah, you can go screenshot thumbnail. Thumbs.
Yeah, lights up.
Let me know what you guys think below. We're gonna make custom fenders.
Like and subscribe. There's more content from this man here. Yeah, and me, but yo, that's gonna be a story for another day.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Got something special for you.
Ah, that's next.
Oh yeah, that's the donor car.
That's the donor car.
Yeah.